Hi, it's Mobile Max in West Hollywood, 310-804-4185. Today I'm pulling a throttle body off a 2013 Volkswagen Jetta with a 5-cylinder 2.5 liter engine. This will be good for any 6 to 15 2.5 liter engine throttle body removal and installation. First thing to remember is you're dealing with a lot of plastic here. You must be gentle. Do not get all crazy and aggravated and rip this plastic apart. Old, hard plastic breaks easy. Be very careful. You're dealing with a lot of plastic. First thing you're going to have to remove is the combination engine cover air filter. You're going to need a pry bar to do this. But be gentle. Here's my pry bar. And you're going to need a vice grip or the special tool to remove the clamps for the boot. Also, there's the intake boot. And you can either remove the two 20-star bit screws on each side, or as I have it here, I removed the whole unit because it was already loose, so I just pulled the whole unit. And then you got to remove the clamp for the main throttle body intake boot. There's a clamp on each side, one on the throttle body and one on the air filter housing. So you'll need your vice grip to remove the clamps. And then there's the two secondary air hoses. Be very gentle. These things break very easy, and it's going to be a pain in the ass if you break it. So be very gentle with the secondary air hoses. There's two of them. You may want to use a little WD-40 on there. Remove the two secondary air hoses and the two clamps. Remove your boot here to get to the throttle body. And then after that, there's 4 star 30 screws that hold the throttle body onto the intake manifold. They look like this. 30 star bit. 4 of them on the throttle body. You'll have to remove those. It's all plastic. Be very gentle. There's also electrical connection that you're going to have to remove. Plastic electrical connection on the throttle body. It's a clip, a plastic clip. Do not break it. I'm telling you, be gentle. They break very easy when they get old and hard. So push the clip. There's a little snap. You got to put your finger on it. But be very gentle. Do not break this plastic or you'll have big problems. Take the 4 30 star bit screws off and remove your throttle body. You may want to clean the throttle body, the replacement one, before you put it in, but do not push on the butterfly. Do not push on the butterfly without it being electrically connected and somebody pushing on the fuel pedal sensor. Do not push on that butterfly. Just clean around it. And then installation is the reverse of removal. This is Mobile Max, 310-804-4185. Thank you.